everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sheila here, and today we're going to be doing a dining room tour. But first, for those that are new, hey, my name is Sheila and welcome. And those who are returning back, thank y'all so much. Alrighty, now we can get to the dining room tour. I'm going to show y'all what I've done so far and also show y'all my new dining room table, as well as have a couple questions for you all. Since I value y'all's opinions so much, I wanted to see what y'all thought. Alrighty, so stay tuned after the video and we'll do a little chit-chatting. Alright, so let me get my camera turned around and we'll get started. Okay, here is my dining room table. I got it at Ashley's, and I think it's a 54-inch round table. And also the chairs are like a cream accent. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. It's like a cream color, like a woven linen. And I love the color of the gray. It really blends well with the rest of the decor in my home. And for those who may not know, in my previous home, I had like a long square glass table. And for this area, I knew it would not fit. So I've been on the hunt for a new dining room table, and I just finally found this one. I love it, especially the color. The color is what I fell in love with, as well as the color of the backing of the chairs. Gorgeous. Love it. Okay, and it's got like a farmhouse kind of feel. If you can see the underneath, it has like a crisscross at the base of it. Love it, and not just for the price, as well as the size, as well as the color. Alrighty, so now we're going to go over here. I'm going to show y'all first my ladder. I've always had a ladder in my living room, and I kind of put it in here in my dining room to allow space for my fall tree. Now with it, I kept it very simply decorated. I did keep my greenery, as you can see right here, and I found this gorgeous plush blanket. I got it at Home Goods, I think around $25, something like that, maybe 20. I love how it's got like a gray checkered, kind of like a buffalo check, and with the orange, it just really pops. And I'm letting the blanket do most of the decorating of the ladder. And again, just some greenery I kept. And with the gray check, with the orange and the green, it really accents so well together. Now on top, I just got this little cute little sign. Actually got it at the Dollar Tree. It just says gather. It's peeking through, and I love the colors of it. And it's a perfect size for the top of the ladder. Just panning over. Now over here, I got this little table. I use it mostly to keep my chargers, as extra napkins, things like that. And I got this beautiful sign. It says Hello Fall, and on this gorgeous plate rack. I got it at Home Goods for like $8, I think. It is gorgeous. And I just put some berries, kind of scattered them around. And here's my lamp. Now, that is going to be going in the future, but for now, that's what I'm doing. And so for now, that's what I'm using. Now we're going to back up just a little bit to my arched farmhouse mirror. I love this mirror. It's one of my favorite mirrors. Now I just found this gorgeous wreath. I got it at Home Goods as well. I think it was around $25. I just love the color. I just love this wreath. I love it. It's just really simple, but still has a huge impact, especially off the mirror, and it's a great staple piece. Now we're going to turn around, and here is my wall that we did a video on. Then I just put some pumpkins up here with a sign, and then that metal accent piece along with my happy pumpkin spice season sign. That is one of my favorite things. And so I will link that video in the description box below so you can go back and watch it if you like. Now we're going to pan down a little bit to my table. Now here I just kept it very simple because of the beautiful DIY fall tree I did. I'm using that as the main decor on my table. I love the impact it has. It's gorgeous. Now here I just got a runner, and I just got this little garland here. I kind of like scattered it throughout. There's a couple candles. Got this little orange stand. I just got a couple pumpkins on it. And I'm kind of, because it's so busy with the tree, I'm kind of just leaving that very simple. Now here on my place setting, I kept it very simple. I did a shopping haul and I showed you guys where I got these. I got these at Home Goods, and I put it on top of this charger, this linen napkin, and then I got on this woven like burlap placemat. And I just love how it looks. So I'm gonna kind of pan out a little bit and show you all my table setting. Now over here are my shelves, and of course that is included in the video I did with my other shelves. And yes, I did go back and get more of those orange stems. But I think, yeah, with AC Moore, and I did put a little bit more. Actually, them orange floral stems, they match that goes to my wreath on the mirror. Now here, I just put up this little cute little wreath, and I just added a buffalo check bow. You all know how I am bow challenged. And I just got this autumn floral pick. I just kind of put it in behind it. I think it really goes with the rest of my decor. In here, I'm just kind of panning around. And there is a better view of my wreath. Is that not gorgeous or what? It's pretty big. And I'm gonna back up a little bit, and we're gonna go on this side here. Now this here, I've got this mirrored cabinet as well as my favorite mirror of all my mirrors. I got this garland here. I found it at a thrift store or somewhere, and I love how rustic it looks. And it's got some pumpkins, some gourds, some acorns, things. It's just a variety of fruit that somebody kind of like distressed a little bit. But I'm going to work on that because I just got it a couple days ago. And here I just got some candlesticks with some faux pumpkins in it. My little happy harvest sign. In this vase, I've got this large amount of floral stems. I just got them at Hobby Lobby. I just stuck them in my vase. I love the orange and white. They really, and the silver, this really pops. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. And here's the base here of the mirror cabinet. Now I'm gonna turn around a little bit more. Every time I walk in this area, I just smile. It feels so, I don't know the word I want to say. It feels like fall in here. I just love it. It's simple, but it's still a lot. It just blends, everything just blends so well together. I love the ladder. I just love that. And my table, I don't think I could have found a better table. It's very simple, but it still has a huge impact in my dining room, along with the rest of my decor throughout my home. Now, this is what I've done thus far, and now I'm going to start working on a different tablescape, because, I mean, since I did my tree, I had to really show it. I wanted to show it off, because I hate to make it and not use it in part of my decor. So we'll do that at a later time. And here, And you know, I don't know if you remember, I said I wanted a table to the color to match my shutter here, and as you can see, it really goes well together. Okay, now I'm gonna pan back a little bit so you guys can get a better view of it. I'm very, very happy the way it came out. It is simple, and it's not, you know, some may think it's too much, but to me, I'm very, very happy with it. And of course, it's not going to stay like this for long because I've got so many ideas for October. And again, I'm going to put my little mirror cabinet in part of the video. Okay. And alrighty, there it is. There's my dining room. I hope you guys liked it. It's not exactly what I wanted to do with it, but knowing that everything is in storage and I didn't want to go out and buy all new decor, I used what I could find as well as a few little pieces. Now, I won't do this for Christmas. If I can't find my Christmas decor, no, I will definitely buy all new. I mean, I love, love, love Christmas. And speaking of Christmas, that's one of my questions I want to ask you all. What I was thinking of, I want to do a Christmas card exchange. I've got a P.O. box. I've had it. I'm going to set it up and I'll put it in the description of all my videos so y'all can, you know, y'all could have. And if you send me a card, I'm going to send you back one. So we're going to do a Christmas card exchange. And I thought to see what y'all thought about it, would y'all be interested in it. And even though some may not, I would love to do that. I love getting Christmas cards, and I love sending them out. I probably love sending them more than I'll ever receive, and I'm just with that type of person. So what do you guys think? Would y'all like to do that? And we can kind of keep it going. You know, we can start it up, let's say, middle of November and throughout the holiday season. So, but I'll start putting the address, the P.O. box address in maybe next week's video. Hopefully I'll have my home tour up by then. So I thought I'd run that by y'all and see what you think. And my other question is, I had somebody to ask me, have I ever vlogged? And I'm like, no, I haven't. And then it's been popped up here and there. And I thought I would ask, would you guys be interested in seeing me vlog sometimes? Like to do a weekend of, you know, of not just decor, but like everyday kind of thing. I don't know if I want to do that, but of course I always want to do, or I always like to entertain what you guys want. And I thought I would ask. I mean, there's, you know, I don't see nothing. I mean, I'll probably be fun. I don't know. I've never done it. And I thought I would ask and see what you guys thought. So just let me know. So those are the two questions I wanted to ask you all. The Christmas card exchange as well as a vlogging, kind of like a video. And speaking of that, in a way, I'm going to do a getting to know me again video. Since I've had a huge amount of new subscribers, a lot of people don't know me or why, you know, we're leaving an apartment, you know, because this is a temporary home for now until we find our next forever home, which we're looking. But I thought I would try to do like a video like getting to know me, so you guys can send me some questions. But I have had a lot of questions, so I've kind of jotted them down, as well as any new questions you might want to ask. One being, where am I from? I am from North Carolina, born and bred. So, you know, I don't know if it's my accent or what, but anyway, that's going off the subject. So that video will be coming up, and also we're going to do my outdoor doorscape next week. That's going to be a 2-part video because that's a lot of work. And then we'll do the home tour, and then we'll start into Halloween decorating. We're going to do a Halloween tree. We're going to do a small, same thing I did the DIY fall tree. We're going to do a DIY Halloween tree. And we're going to do a lot of decorating for that. And so I love, love, love Halloween. The good Halloween. Not the gory stuff, not like that. But, you know, the fun, happy Halloween. So that's what's coming up. And I think that's it. And yeah, if anything else may pop up, I will. Now, I've done a lot of little crafting, crafting little things here. I've not videoed them, and I really should have to show you all, because I've had so many people ask, well, you know, I want to see you more. And I will get on a regular schedule, 2 to 3 days a week. It just working, and it's just really taking a lot of my time. And I wish I could do this every day with you all. I would do it in a heartbeat. I would love to be able to video every single day and vlog every day and talk to y'all every day. That is my dream. And hopefully one day it will come true, right? We can always dream. Alrighty, well, that's it. Y'all so much for watching. I really, really, truly appreciate it. Okay, well, until next time, sending all of my love from my home to yours. Happy decorating. Bye-bye.